Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a daily plan with me in my A5 Erin Condren Daily Duo. Okay, so this is what my days have kind of been looking like in the Daily Duo. If you remember from like my last plan with me, oh, it's been a hot minute. I've been using kits, nothing against kits, but at least for this current week, I'm not using kits. I'm not saying I won't ever use them, but this week was a little bit hectic, so I never even got around to filming and like setting up my week and things like that. So I'm just gonna hop in here and plan for Sunday, just kind of sticking with the theme for the week. Okay, so let me flip to this one page. So some of the stickers that I'll be using are Chrissy Ann Designs, some Nicole Hutch Designs, some Planner Kate. I've really been loving incorporating these compact vertical sheets in my Daily Duo simply because they are the colors of the Harmony neutral theme, and it just kind of helps if you're sticking with like a nice little neutral theme to have some of these additional strips with them. So I am planning Saturday, July 23rd. One of my favorite stickers to use on Saturdays is my Sleeping In sticker from Chrissy Ann Designs. As you can see, I've used quite a few of those because I'm not doing my usual morning routine and things like that at 6 in the morning like I normally would during the week. I'm going to grab one of my Chrissy Ann Designs stencils, and I'm going to use the new one from the latest anniversary box from her. I know that you can't see everything here, but these checklists right here are my favorite and what I use the most. So I typically do wake up between like 7 and 8. I just don't have the ability to sleep in much later than that. So I'm going to do my AM routine here. And yes, I do stick to routines on the weekend. And before I forget, the pen that I'm using is the Sarasa Mark-On in the 0.5. I did grab this from Jet Pens. I love their website. They have a lot of great pens that maybe you can't find elsewhere. I'm sure that these are on Amazon, but you can purchase these individually from the Jet Pens website, which is my absolute favorite. So of course I'm going to put my meds and vitamins because that does not stop just because it is the weekend. Okay, next up, I want to make sure that I do some cleaning, and I think I'm going to use, I've got some like script stickers from a while back from Chrissy Ann Designs that I think I want to use, and I know that there's one with some deep clean stickers on here. I'm going to grab this smaller one, and I'm going to use this sort of beige color sticker from Planner Kate. This isn't exactly going to take that long, but I think we'll do 9 to 11, couple hours, right? Nothing too crazy. I mean, I really do need to do like a serious deep clean, but yeah, that's gonna work for that. Okay, so I've also got a couple of errands to run, and I'm gonna see if I have anything in this sticker book for that. I think by the time you see this video, you will see the organization for this particular book, so make sure you go check that out. And maybe I will just use maybe another one of these dot stickers or the strip stickers. Sorry, can't even get my words straight, but we do need to run to Ulta for a pickup order and then just a couple of other places, but nothing too crazy. That should only take an hour or two, but we do have to go into Savannah for that, so definitely need to get all of that done. Okay, so that should take care of those two things. I kind of left one extra space just in case we stop somewhere else. So we have 2 Ultas here, but honestly, like last time I placed an order, I did a pickup order and it was for the wrong store. It was kind of a mess. I had to like cancel the other order, get the stuff at the current store that I was at because there was no way I was leaving that store and then driving like 30 minutes away to the other Ulta when they had everything I needed at the other store. So I'm actually going to place that order that I'm going to pick up today on Friday to pick up on Saturday, but I'm going to make sure I put it in the right place because this time I'll actually need to go to the Ulta that I should have gone to last weekend. Like, could that be any more confusing? All right, so then for the afternoon, we definitely want to do some relaxation, but I think we're gonna do a little bit of a Starbucks run before we go home. I'm really just finding any excuse in the world to use all of my Chrissy Ann design stickers in here, but they look so cute with like the neutral and like mauve colored theme. So I need to, let's kind of grab like a large teardrop maybe, or even one of these scalloped stickers would be pretty. So we can use that for the coffee date. And this is from Sweet Caress. Love their shop. And we'll just do coffee date like that. That's kind of large, but that'll be okay. And then I don't really know if I have anything to put the relax sticker on or if I need to. I just love stickers. And any reason that I can to use them. But we'll go with, actually let's go with this color. Get a little bit of time to relax in there. And then I think that we might end up barbecuing again. I mean, the weather here has not been the easiest to work with as far as being outside goes, because it has literally like torrential downpoured like every single freaking day. It's been kind of crazy. I also want to make sure that I meal plan. I just realized I have not made a space for that. Obviously we'll be eating lunch during this. Do I need a meal plan sticker? Let's just hold off on that. Maybe I don't actually need a meal plan sticker, because I do want to leave that space for lunch. Now, as far as things to do, I do have more laundry to do. I'm actually doing laundry right now as this video is being filmed, but I know that I'm not going to get all of it done today. I also want to make sure that I take care of the bathrooms. I am going to write meal plan in because I'm not using the sticker over there, but I can write it over here. And then what's still undecided is the car wash. I have not washed my car now for a month, but like I said, it's been raining so hard every single freaking day. It has just been, it feels wasteful to go to the car wash, but I really now to this point have to wipe down the inside of my car. I need to vacuum it, all of that stuff. So that would be great if I could tend to that. And then to divide the page, I'm going to use this beige sticker. These fit perfectly in here. So they're for the compact vertical from Planner King, and this is sheet CV118, and these are perfect. As you can see, I don't have to cut them down or anything. This is where I'm going to divide the space on the to-do list for my social media. So I'm going to edit some videos. I'm getting all caught up and it feels great. Then I'm just going to go through my emails, work on some graphics for the week and just for like thumbnails for YouTube videos, and go through comments and messages. And as you can see, like throughout this whole week, I haven't really tracked like any of my water, my workouts, my reading, any of that. And that's definitely something that I want to incorporate back into my planning routine. So we're going to do that today. What I like to do is track my water and my steps. And with the water, I just do 8 dots, 1 for each glass of water, and I use the Zig Clean Color Dot marker in the color Platinum, aka gray. And then I'll just check those off as I drink my water throughout the day. And then some of the habits that I still want to continue to nurture are reading, journaling, and then my skincare. And I'm going to do 1 box for AM and 1 box for PM. And that should do it. Okay, so there we go. The Saturday is all planned out. Hopefully everything goes as planned. We shall see. I hope you guys enjoyed today's plan with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.